What's going on, guys? Surgeon's Tech Tips. I just got a package from Povee Tech. I don't know how to pronounce their name, but they sent me a microSD card, so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly unbox it. So this is probably what you're going to get from Amazon. I have already opened it, but you can order it from Amazon. Link in the description below. It's a 128 gig. So what you're going to get in the package is probably nothing much, but you're going to get the SD card and a slip. The slip will tell you what the order contents are. So I got the 128 gig micro SD card with adapter, and then here obviously is the micro SD card. So first impressions, the packaging looks kind of normal for a micro SD card. Like if you went to Walmart or your local store to buy one of these, this is basically what it would be in. It also says 100 megabytes a second, so we can test that speed. I'm just gonna have to find something to test it with. It looks like it's in decent condition. We're gonna go ahead and open it and see what else is in here. So once you take it out of the package, it's got this weird way you open it, but it's fairly simple. You can actually get it open though. So you have to lift up on the tab. Well, not really a tab, but you just have to basically open it. Alright guys, so here's the micro SD card itself. The build quality is actually really decent. What they also have is you can actually customize these on their website, which I'll put a link in the description below, but you can customize them to whatever you want. I don't know if you can get like your own pictures on them, but I know you can do certain things with them. You get like camouflage and all that fun stuff, but here's the SD card, and then you obviously got the adapter. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this into my computer, and then we're gonna go ahead and check the speed with a speed tester.